Hi guys, get ready with me in Koh Samui. And as I always mention, I think all of Thailand has great views everywhere. I'll try showing you. I mean, इतना अच्छा तो नहीं है, लेकिन अच्छा है. खैर बड़ी मुश्किल से हम लोगों को ये कमरा मिला because the room that we got last had so many mosquitoes. If anybody is planning on traveling to Thailand, just make sure that you research and find a place which doesn't have mosquitoes primarily. And also I went to the mall yesterday और मैंने कुछ pictures वगैरह लगाई और लोग कह रहे थे कितना बच्चों की तरह तैयार होती है. I mean, wearing a dress doesn't mean I'm trying to dress up like a बच्चा. लेकिन हाँ, आप में से बहुत सारे लोग आपस में बात करने लगते हैं and then somebody said let her be happy, let her do whatever she wants to do. So really appreciate that. Mwah, for you. Some Aquaphor for my lips. And I am not personally a traveler. मुझे इतना travel करना पसंद नहीं है. But I think if you are with the right people, you tend to start enjoying it. I'm liking it, but then sometimes I'm like, oh, I want my bedroom back. I want the comfort of my own house. So that is definitely missing. Lekin Koh Samui is a smaller version of Phuket and perhaps like less crowded, so you will be able to enjoy more because Phuket is very crowded, right? So if people who want to find a place which is similar to Phuket but then not very crowded, this is the right place. I'm going to do some color correcting. अच्छा, आजकल lately I have not been feeling the need to put foundation. किसी वजह से ऐसे नहीं, लेकिन फाउंडेशन से एक बहुत हैवी फीलिंग आती है ना कि मतलब दिस समथिंग ऑन योर फेस. कंसीलर ज़रूरी है मेरे लिए बिकॉज मेरे डार्क सर्कल्स बचपन से बहुत ज़्यादा लाइक इफ़ आई लुक एट पीपल लाइक दिस इट्स फाइन, बट व्हेन द मोमेंट आई डू दिस देन यू सी अ हॉलो. तो उसको मैं कंसील करती हूँ एंड देन मोस्टली आई एन्जॉय प्लेइंग अराउंड विद कलर्स. बट ऑल्सो मैंने ये भी रियलाइज़ किया है कि हर किसी की फेस पे dark shade of lipstick doesn't suit. So mine is like usually either a pillow talk from Charlotte Tilbury or a very peachy pink from, this is called Lip and Cheek Quirk from Milk. This also suits me. So I'm just doing that on vacation. So I think that's what I'm going to do today as well. एक और बहुत ख़तरनाक चीज़ जो मैंने रियलाइज़ की, कल हम लोग पता नहीं कौन से मॉल गए हुए थे, नाम नहीं पढ़ना आ रहा था, सेंट्रल समथिंग करके, और वहाँ पे एक दुकान थी जिसका नाम आई कांट बी एबल टू प्रोनाउंस प्रॉपर्ली, बट दिस शॉप इट वाज सेलिंग सनग्लासेस और हम सनग्लासेस ढूंढ रहे थे. एंड आई एम नॉट अ शॉपर, मुझे शॉपिंग का बहुत शौक नहीं है इतना, लेकिन आई लव प्राडा. दैट्स वन ब्रांड आई लव. तो अगर कभी भी मैं पैसा खर्च करने का सोचती हूँ तो इट्स प्राडा. सो द ग्लासेस देयर वर ऑन 50% ऑफ. एंड प्राडा का जो अपना आउटलेट है इन बैंकॉक परहैप्स, या उस पर नहीं था सेल. तो हमने उनसे 2-3 बार पूछा. वी वर लाइक इज दिस लाइक ओरिजिनल इनसाइड द मॉल, राइट? दिस इज नॉट ऑन द स्ट्रीट, बिकॉज यहाँ बहुत सारे फेक ब्रांड्स मिलते हैं. लाइक दिस से दिस इज द बेस्ट फेक ओरिजिनल कॉपी समथिंग. सो I was like, are you sure? Then my husband was also like, are you sure this is like on 50% off? Because it was quite very reasonable for the brand it is. तो फिर जब हम जाते हुए उनसे पूछा कि आप टैक्स रिटर्न देंगे जो एयरपोर्ट पे आपको पैसे वापस मिलते हैं इफ़ यू आर न्यू ट्रैवलर. तो whenever tourist, I mean like people like us, we travel, हमें टैक्स रिटर्न मिलता है ना ऑन ब्रांड्स. तो उन्होंने कहा नो वी डोंट प्रोवाइड यू विद दैट बिकॉज इस कॉस्ट के अंदर कटा हुआ समथिंग, सम लैंग्वेज बैरियर. And that is when we were like, okay, so you have to be very careful even if you're inside the mall, although there's a law that they can't sell fake products inside the mall. But then also we were like, forget it, let's not get it. But those were like the chunky rectangular Pradas. I still want to go and get my hands on it, but then even if I get them and they're fake, then I should probably be paying less than quarter of the price that they're giving me, although it is on sale as compared to the original price. I mean, am I making sense? I don't know. Okay, today on my lips and on my cheeks I'm gonna do Quirk. पता नहीं मेरे फेस पे ब्लश रहता ही नहीं है, समझ ही नहीं आता. आंखों पे भी लगा लेती हूँ थोड़ा. If somebody deals with the same issue, please tell me. I mean, I'm stacking properly. It's not like I'm okay. It is showing now. थोड़ी देर में गायब हो जाता है. And then even when I'm on TV, like जब मैं अपने projects कर रही होती हूँ, उसमें भी my directors usually complain that you look very pale, you look pale, and I'm like, I have stacked so much on this product. और ये खत्म हो गया है. Coming back, ये बिल्कुल खत्म हो गया. It's the end. It's like literally खत्म हो गया. I got this from the Fisherman something Avenue. We went by the beach. We saw the fire show. Oh my god, there's so much product inside. Shoo. खत्म नहीं हुआ है मतलब. And it was amazing. So I got this. Although it's a full, I mean, I won't be able to show you, but it's a full thing. I'm wearing it like a choker क्योंकि मैंने ऊपर कर लिया है. But the man was so sweet. He was like, do you want me to make it shorter? This, that. And I was like, no, I'll just figure something. But these are wonderful. They're handmade and they're so twisty and I don't want to take this off. Although it doesn't go with my outfit, but I'll still wear it. Some Hourglass powder. Recently I have been loving this product और मैं blush के बाद ही कर रही हूँ. So don't come for me. I don't care what steps I follow, how I do them. I just do whatever feels okay to me. I mean, sometimes I do setting spray later. Sometimes I'm like, oh, this is the right way to do it. I mean, if there is a right way. As long as you look good. That is, I think. Look good and feel good. मुझे primarily तो नहीं, but then मुझे सबसे ज़्यादा important ये चीज़ लगती है कि when you wake up in the morning and you look at yourself in the mirror and you want to fix something, whatever, and then you feel a little bit more confident and you feel good about yourself, I think you've nailed it. That's all what it is. I'm going to do some mascara and then I'm good to go. So for everybody watching, this is Bob, and Bob is very reasonable. It's like I'm talking about somebody. And this is like a local mascara from Pakistan. And I mean, I'll show you the difference. It will take me a while because इसके सूखने से पहले कोट को आप दूसरा कोट स्टार्ट कर दें and then you will see the difference. I'll show you. Wait. I mean, look at the difference. This eye looks so much, I mean, brighter, open than this. This is like very, very good. Okay, today I feel like doing half a liner situation like this. And I'm gonna try. Usually I can't do it on camera because it takes me a bit and my eyesight is weak as well. And I don't like glasses or lenses. Oh god. Anyway. Is this balanced? Even if it's not, I feel good. And that was the aim. Bye guys.